Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to reset Toyota Avalon maintenance light. With ignition off, press and hold the trip button, turn key to Roman 2 without starting, and release when maintenance light blinks or clears. If the light persists, cycle the ignition twice and repeat the hold until the display shows dashes and the indicator resets. This method works for most Avalon models with analog gauges. Consult your manual if you have a digital cluster. I will walk through the button sequence slowly so you can follow along easily. Start with the brake off, the shifter and park, and the odometer showing trip or total miles. Hold the trip button, turn the key to Roman 2, keep holding for about 10 seconds until dashes appear, then release. Confirm maintenance light is off and cycle the ignition to verify reset. If it fails, try one more time with the engine running. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading manuals and repair guides anywhere with its glare-free display and long battery life. It's compact, easy to hold during a garage break, and stores hundreds of PDFs and service manuals. Check the description for the link and other deals. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If the maintenance light stays on, don't panic. There are common fixes to try before the dealer visit. Check for loose gas caps, low oil, or scheduled service codes on the dash. Use a scanner to read codes or reset the light if available, or perform the trip button method again. If warning persists, consult a mechanic, as underlying systems may need attention. Keeping receipts and service records helps track recurring issues and warranties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.